If you're looking for a reliable replacement toner cartridge for your Brother printer, GPC's compatible toner set is worth a look. Designed to fit models like the HL3140CW, MFC9130CW, and DCP9020CDN, these cartridges promise consistent, vivid color and sharp black prints every time. This set includes 2 black cartridges, TN221BK, and one each of cyan, magenta, and yellow, TN225C, TN225M, TN225Y, plus a helpful user guide. That means you get everything you need for a complete color printing experience without hunting down individual parts. What really stands out is the estimated page yield. The black toner cartridge prints up to 2,500 pages, while each color cartridge handles about 2,200 pages at 5% coverage. For anyone printing regularly, that means fewer replacements and less hassle. Customers praise these cartridges for their easy installation and dependable performance. The color-coded design prevents mistakes during setup, making it straightforward, even for first-time users or kids. Plus, the ink stays clean with no smudging or leaks, keeping your prints sharp and your printer mess-free. Affordability is another big plus. Many users highlight the great value, noting these cartridges match the quality of original Brother products but at a fraction of the price. That combination of cost savings and high quality makes them a smart choice for home or office use. If you want toner cartridges that deliver crisp, natural colors without the premium cost, GPC's compatible replacements are a solid option. They're hassle-free, long-lasting, and backed by positive reviews from real users who keep coming back. Ready to upgrade your printing experience without overspending? Try GPC toner cartridges when you're ready. They fit perfectly, print beautifully, and keep your Brother printer running smoothly. For dependable color and black prints that won't slow you down, GPC-compatible toner cartridges for Brother printers offer exactly what you need. Worth considering if quality and value matter to you.